Here's how to swap your Bitcoin assets to Ethereum using Dexifier. You will need some Bitcoin tokens in any compatible wallet, and a wallet to receive the Ethereum tokens. Let's begin. To get started, head over to Dexifier.com. Click the wallet icon and connect your Bitcoin wallet and the wallet to receive your Ethereum tokens. For this tutorial, we will use the XDeFi wallet for our Bitcoin tokens and MetaMask to receive Ethereum tokens. If you don't have the needed wallet, you can simply click the install icon to download the official extension. Once that's done, head back, and you will see two tabs, one to select the asset to swap, and the other for the asset to receive. Let's select Bitcoin for the first tab, and then Ethereum for the second tab. You can specify the blockchain at the top to narrow down your search. Notice you can now see the Bitcoin balance. Let's type in the number of Bitcoins to transfer, and we will see a corresponding token equivalent in Ethereum and several trading routes cutting across tens of exchanges. These routes might be different for you, as the market conditions are always changing, while Dexifier scouts for the most optimal routes. You can filter these trading routes based on fees, transfer speeds, or the expected token value based on the liquidity of the aggregated DEX. For this tutorial, we will use the recommended route. We can see the gas fee, the completion time of the swap, and the number of hops it will take to get the transfer done. When the number of hops is more than one, there will be additional gas fees from the other blockchains being hopped across. We can also see an expanded view of how the swaps will happen on each route. Let's select our choice route and click Swap. Now, we confirm the wallets holding our Bitcoin tokens and the wallet to receive Ethereum. We can also choose to send the Ethereum tokens to another wallet entirely. Just paste the wallet address correctly if this is what you want. Now click Confirm, review the transaction details, and click Start Swap. During the transfer, Dexifier may prompt you to approve multiple transactions in your wallet, usually depending on the number of hops mentioned earlier. Approve where displayed, and now you can sit back and watch the transfer happen in real time on Dexifier. Once the swap is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating the success of the swap. And just like that, the swap is complete. No cookies, no KYC, no signups. So, what are you waiting for? Get started with Dexifier today. Visit Dexifier.com and enjoy true financial freedom.